Trying to back up or transfer a Terraria world and dealing with world files? This is the save file format containing your entire procedurally generated game world. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through managing and editing these Terraria world files. Consider this essential for your toolkit. A single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken world. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. A world file contains all the data for a playable world in the popular sandbox game Terraria. Users interact with these files to save their progress, share custom-built worlds with others, or use third-party editors to modify terrain, chests, and other in-game elements for a unique gameplay experience. The world file is a complex binary format designed for efficient loading and saving of massive, procedurally generated game maps. It stores tile data, object placements, NPC states, and world-specific metadata in a compressed and structured manner, prioritizing performance and data integrity for the game engine. Most users will find that Terraria developed by Relogic is the best tool for world. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. Start by right-clicking the world file and selecting Open With. Test Terraria first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some world files are very particular about the opener. If you still cannot open your world file, that is okay. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your world file is generating this error. First, loading in Terraria. Place the world file in your Terraria Worlds folder, typically located at documents/mygames/Terraria Worlds on Windows. Launch Terraria, select single player or multiplayer, then choose the world from the list. The game loads the world file and any associated WLD backup file restoring your saved world. Next, backing up worlds. Always create regular backups of your world files by copying them to an external location before major changes. Terraria automatically creates a .back backup file alongside each world, but additional backups protect against catastrophic file corruption. Cloud Sync through Steam Cloud also provides automatic protection if enabled. Finally, editing with Tedit. Use Tedit Terraria Map. Editor, a third-party tool for viewing and editing world files. Tedit displays the entire world map, allowing you to paint terrain place blocks, add chests with custom items, spawn NPCs, and modify world properties. Always back up before editing, as changes are saved directly to the world file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.